How's it going, guys? This one's going to be really quick. We finally hit 100 subs, and I think now we're actually close to 120 subs. So, as per tradition, an upgrade to the kit. This is just going to be a new stand for the camera equipment. It's nothing special. It's Amazon Basics, as you can see. I just needed something that was a little better than the one that I have now, which is fine. It does the job. It just doesn't do everything that it could, and this should be improving it greatly. It's got a lot more ways to customize the height. That way I don't have to work with like maybe 3-4 angles with the one that I have now. It's got a control arm on it, so I should be able to get a little bit more movement in it. And it's even got a little level. That's nice. And it's got multiple legs instead of just one singular stand where you can alter the height of it. I can tilt this, I can shorten it, I can lengthen it, I can do whatever is needed. And it even comes with a great little carrying kit. How great is that? It was under 20 bucks. Let's just see how it goes. Worst comes to worst, I go back to using the old one and I do an update video for you guys telling you, hey, don't get this. It seems like it's great, but it isn't all it's cracked up to be. So guys, from here on out, I'll be using this Amazon Basics tripod with the other filming equipment that I already have, the light, the mount, the microphone. All those have previous videos. I'm going to do my darndest to make an entire playlist of all the upgrades that we've done so far for you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.